Come with me to see a display of my picture at an art exhibition. So, a few months ago, a friend of mine, I kind of modeled for him. And yeah, he texted me recently and said, "Hey, your pictures are at an art exhibition. Come see it." That kind of sound like, hey, I'm not a model. Oh." So anyway, I decided to go see it for myself because I was kind of free. And yeah, this was me just setting out and getting ready to drive down to the art exhibition. It was freezing cold, by the way. So, bro, first thing I always do is turn on my heating because I cannot come and die of cold. Anyway, I was getting ready to leave, wear my glasses, love it, helps me see the road. And guess what? As I entered the exhibition, it was my picture, like right there. Like, my picture was the first thing I saw. And we took a couple of pictures. There was another model as well. And yeah, the one on the right is like me. I was feeling myself. Oh my God, I was loving the detail, like every single bit of it. And yeah, that is Ibukun's details. If you ever need a badass photographer, he's really good at what he does. You can hit him up, the visual chef. So yeah, this is me just showing like the picture again. This was also taken out in the cold. Oh my God, hence the jacket. Yeah, and these are other works that he has done. He's actually really, really good at what he does, to be very honest. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Like, I'm loving every bit of this picture right here. Melanin popping. Hey, I didn't know how to act there. I was so excited to see myself. And yeah, there were like other people's work as well being displayed. This was like a 3D paper kind of display. I especially love this one as well. It was also done by a Nigerian artist. She's really, really good. I love all this kind of art. It was really good. And there was this as well. It just captured my attention. Yeah, really, really good one as well. Like, there were lots of people, lots of arts being displayed, and mind you, most of these were done by like students at the Arts University Beaumont. So like, kudos to like every single student out there, MA students. Like, they are really, really good. And yeah, just kind of giving you like an overview of one of the spaces where the art exhibition was showing. And I decided to capture like this moment, like people were actually looking at it. Like, it was just nice to see. I got a few people saying, "Oh, is that you? Is that you?" I'm like, "Oh yeah, that's me." So yeah, it was a really nice thing to experience, and yeah, I'm grateful for the opportunity.